Evening guys, Monday, we're at the allotment again. It's around about 7:30, just clearing off one of the beds. One's been covered now for about 18 months, we've not really used it. Spin around, let's have a look. Right, that's the bed cleared. There's a few weeds in the bottom there. So I've got a bit of a quick raking over. And we've got some bloodfish and bone in there. What one of my planting is sweet corn. Let's hope you can see me okay. I've got 2 trays of sweet corn, so I'm hoping to try and get it all in here. That's all the root system. Let's see a little bit. I'm going to plant these roughly every 12 inches apart, or 9 to 10. Ideally I want 4 rows. So that's row should go about here, to be honest. Good thing we've had lots of rain, so this bed's pretty soft now. This one is called Incredible. Got a label there. I'm going to put it so the actual writing's not in the sun. I was done the wrong way around, so maybe done this end first, shouldn't I? Whoa! Pretty good roots on all of them, though, to it. Now hopefully, we'll be too bad to the wind here, hopefully. Just snapped. Got my nail pad from home. Second nailing down on hard floor, well, not hard, but wood chip. It was on big pieces, it's sticking in your knee. That one, trying to escape. Trying to plant them so they're all as upright as possible. This isn't a full tray, there's some that didn't germinate. A lot of people saying there's a lot of stuff that didn't germinate this year properly. I've had the exact same problem. I need to redo these two farthest way, so that one to be fair. go guys, 36 sweet corn. Some may be a little bit close to each other, but I've emptied both trays. They're all the same variety, so there you go on. Now I may have to try and put some net around this to try and keep the wind down. It's a little bit breezy today, and you can see them all wafting around everywhere. Alright, wife's having to clear out this bed. But we put the actual straw down, which is horse bedding. It just isn't stopping the mare style. It's not even stopping the grass. So it's keeping most of the weeds down, i.e. like this bed. So we need to get this done. But not tonight, that's going to have to be another night. But look, by the looks of it, some of the onions are starting to swell up now. But they fell over. Not particularly, don't know why, to be honest. But some growing, some aren't. I just think this year for myself has been a poor season for onions. Right, this is my grape tree. It needs pruning back. Because you can actually see I'm starting to get some sort of grapes, but they're struggling. So I need to get somebody to actually trim this back for me, so I can get some glass in it and try and get some sort of order in there, let's say. But is it a case of it's got too far? Because let's see if I can find you. Because this obviously is coming out of the glass, as you can see. But the actual main stem is there. There's some dead ones here. But as you can see, it's like some grapes, but I think they're getting neglected. Even weeds now start getting there now. There you can see the grapes already. They're not growing properly. The bush is just out of control. So Mick, you want to come down and have a gander at that, mate? You're more than welcome. Well, this whole lot's not doing too bad. The one's just over half. That one's just over half as well. No, sorry. That one's half, one towards quarter. That one's still just above half. It's not too bad. I think what it is as well, because he's watering these halos, I'm not going to put more water in. I just wanted to make sure that the bags were actually wet. But also I've had the windows open all the time. And let's be honest, we've not really had the weather. So it's not been that hot in the greenhouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shut these off and see how these get on, because I think realistically it's too cold in here now. It's gone from one extreme to another. So let's shut them off and let's see how they get on. Oh, one thing, these are bloody good clean. Look at this cheeky mite growing through that little bit of a gap where the glass has dropped. Oh, it's got one drop there as well. Oh man, I'm sure this greenhouse is starting to lean that way. But hey ho. That's that bed weedy now. Give it a bit more horse bedding to cover. Let's try and give it a bit of mulch. Looking a bit better. Excuse the band in the background. That's a local pub practicing. Not the pub, the band, obviously. So that one was done for a day ago. It does seem to keep down a little bit. Well, a bit of grass in the middle, but what we'll do, we'll come back tomorrow. I'm going to cover this with the same time stuff, just to try and keep down the actual weeds. And I'm hoping that the foxes don't dig in here tonight, because there is bloodfish and bone pellets in there, and apparently it does attract foxes. So if I come tomorrow and I'll dug out, you know what the hell went wrong. Right, that's it guys. It's now 8:15 at night. So that'll do us for tonight. Just a little bit often keeps it going. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. It all helps with the interaction. And if you want, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye bye.